All right, welcome to the 2025 St. George Area Parade of Homes highlight video by Hingeworks. And we're excited to showcase this home for you. My name is Shad Johnsen, and let's take it away. So first of all, this home had a lot of charm. The designers have put a lot of thought into the texture in this home. You'll notice that there's texture details here in the cabinetry. The tile has beautiful patterns in it. There's, by the way, a dovetail plywood drawer on a walnut cabinet. Look at the nice striated kind of sand tone in there. This is an integrated credenza or dresser in the bath or bedrooms. This is the nice flat panel cabinet in the mud room, and of course there's a touch to open feature on it. But the designers put so much thought into this that there's see the subtle, beautiful patterns and textures, like the leaf pattern on the wallpaper and the wainscoting. The textures is what's the interest or patterns to this home, and the colors are subtle, really well designed, really well thought out. Gorgeous balance between kind of natural materials and mixed in with some synthetics. You'll see there's some exposed wood beams and so forth in this home. And so, I love the light backlit mirrors and light fixtures that help to enhance the way this space looks. Totally encourage you to come check this home out. There's a secondary kitchen downstairs and kind of an entertainment kitchen. All the bathrooms are very consistent in their design features. I love this island with the microwave drawer, built-in microwave unit there, and of course every space is well thought of. The designers who furnished this space really put a lot of thought behind it. So a couple final more details here. The laundry room, again, no space or area left unconsidered. Plaster of Paris on that hood for the kitchen with the attached marble bottom trim and backsplash, of course. So beautiful kitchen. This is a back kitchen, by the way, which is kind of a dirty kitchen or a or a butler's kitchen, as some people might say. Beautiful house. I would encourage you to take a look at it. Number 12 in the St. George Area Parade of Homes. There's a lot of great highlights in this. Hope that you can find some joy in going and seeing it for yourself. And if you like the video and you like what we're doing here with these from Hingeworks, please subscribe and follow, for we will bring more to you as well later. So thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this home, and if you have highlights or homes that you like a lot. This was quite a nice jewel from what I've seen so far. Thanks so much.